Hi everyone, welcome to One Package Solution. This is William speaking. Here is the short video for workshop show. Those are big model, but today the key point is the small model. What we need is 320. Small one, you can see the field wide is just 320 mm. And why I should take this video, just because here is the 320 model with a liquid pump. Also, this is the same one, but this one with the heater controller, so you can fill hot water inside and always keep the raw material warm. And this is for liquid package, but this one is for grain or peanuts or something. You can fill inside this cup vellum. What we need, this one is the measuring cup system. You can fill the gram inside and you apply the right percentage pouring into the cup, and those cups can be controlled or modified, so you can control the space, how many gram or how many cc you pour down the raw material. Okay, and here is another kind of small models. It is connect with the powder head. This is for ingest the powder. See that? You can open here, and inside is the screw and control how many round or how many gram. You can feel it here inside of this powder head. Okay, so that's the small model we make. Those one is not yet finished, and not only just because it's for powder, those for gram, those for liquid. Also it is different by the back style. Here is the 4-size sealing package. You can see the sealing device is not the same, and the cutting direction is not the same with the pillow pack. This is the pillow package. The sealing is behind of the back formers. See that? This one, the sealing is on 2 sides. So after pulling, after cutting, it's a 4-side package, and with the daily printer. So that's the passing things. It's beautiful, right? That's the pillow bag. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.